How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can make GPU fan speed silent with the MSI Afterburner. Now, this is going to be extremely simple. Let's get into it. The first thing that you want to do is to just make sure that you have updated your Afterburner to the latest version. And from there, you then want to click on this human icon. Basically, this is the user-defined option on which it will automatically define our fan speed, basically lowering down the noise of it. Head over to settings and then click on fan. And then from here, just click on the enable user-defined software automatic fan control. And same thing with the force fan speed update on each period. You then want to select something like custom. And then you can see this steep line right here or steep curve. What you want to do is to just adjust this accordingly. Basically with this one, if it reaches around 90 degrees Celsius, it will then turn our fan speed to 100. So if you want to lower down the noises, maybe you just want to use something like 95%. And for the 100 degrees Celsius and above, this is where 100 kicks in. So you could try lowering this down, or you could just flatten out the curve if you want to. But generally, that's how you do it. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.